What's up, gang? Trying to get y'all some highway pulls today, man. Hopefully they won't be too bad. Hopefully it ain't gonna be too bad, man. It's a little wet out here, but we still gotta get y'all some content, so we're gonna try it. We need some tires, so I ain't really gripping like that. Try it. And I do got my traction on, you feel me? Hopefully that wind ain't too much for y'all, cause I do got my window cracked a little bit. Alright, then I'm gonna show y'all how bad I need tires. Spinning. Spinning, man. So we ain't gonna go too crazy. Cause we want our life. We ain't finna goddamn be out here going crazy like that. And wet on the goddamn highway. We ain't gonna go too crazy. These windows up. Oh, they're just pretty loud. Y'all gotta excuse me too, man, because I got a cold. And really why I've been gone, man, for real, trying to get over that cold. I ain't been really feeling good, for real. Quick, man. I ain't even did nothing. I think I drive my car more so in manual mode a lot. I don't really like driving and drive like that because I don't feel like you get the full potential. Like I could actually make my car do what I wanted to do. Like they just drive right here. Like I already know what gear to get in to make my car do what I wanted to do. You feel me? Too much want to get in that lane right here because I'm too close to the wall. But I want a bad pull just then. So me, I know what gear I want to be in when I do a pull. I'm either in second or third gear when I'm doing a pull. You know what I'm saying? Can't get them too much sauce, man. They gonna try to take it. You feel? They gonna try to take it and run with it. Chill though. Hopefully this video do pretty good, cause I really am sick though, man. So make sure y'all give this video a like, and to people who new, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the post notification bell. You know what I'm saying? So you can get notified every time I drop a video. I feeling a little bit better though, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie. But I know y'all hear it though. To everybody who been watching my videos, y'all probably can tell and hear it, you feel me? But a nigga really ain't feeling too good, but I gotta make that content for y'all, man, because I know what y'all wanna see, man. Just wish it wasn't so wet. Spinning. Just wish it wasn't so wet, man, so I could actually go crazy for y'all. But it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Dang, bro, my arm hurt from holding that jump. But it been a minute. Been a minute. I don't know if that 12 up there or not, but god dang, but that shit got my arm hurt. I had to switch hands. Dang, gang. Y'all got a good view? Get back. Yes, sir. So that ended up not being 12. From afar, it looked like 12, though, I ain't gonna lie. That manual mode just hit different than me for some reason. It just hit different to me. That downshift though. A little more draw up here. But yeah though, man, I went and priced some tires the other day, boy. Ooh wait. Two new tires for the rear, man. That joint like 750, 780, somewhere around there. And those for some other tires. Tires he quoted me on, those got a mild warranty, and they more so for like just riding, you know what I'm saying? The Nittos are a little cheaper. Those like what, $10 cheaper, but it don't come with a warranty. But that's more so for like the driving that I do, you know what I'm saying? The tires that he quoted me was for tires like really for like traveling type junk. I don't really be traveling. I just need something with some grip. That truck disrespectful, but it just spit on me then. Getting back to the little wetness, man, so I gotta calm back down. But yeah, though, man, she doing pretty good. I still gotta go get me an oil change. There's a couple things I gotta do, man, when I save me up some money. You feel me? Get oil change, brakes, tires, and I think buy me another water pump because it did leak that day. But ever since that day, it didn't leak. You know what I'm saying? It been straight ever since that day. But I don't know if I should replace it or what. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Could have got a front of you truck, but it's wet, and I ain't want to risk nothing because I'm cruising right now. I ain't got no grip. That boy got slicks on the back. I realize I got slicks. But I really got to do something because the back right tire is leaking air for some reason. I don't know if it's because it's a nail in the tire or what, but I don't really want to patch it, you know what I'm saying? Because it's pretty much already got a done deal, you feel me, with the tire. But if I patch it, it'll give me a little time to get some tires. Or I can just put tires, put like my other wheels on or something, you know what I'm saying? Until I get some tires. I really want to put my 22s back on, but I want to paint them black before I do that. You know what I'm saying? I want them black though, I ain't gonna lie. Black will hit different. Yeah, black will hit different. And I won't have to worry about that, you know what I'm saying, for a little minute. These really like my summer wheels, you feel me? Like, I had already said my 22s is like winter wheels because that's when I'm going to be chilling. I ain't really going to be doing all that extra junk. When I put my 22s on, I just be cruising in, you feel me? Styling and profiling type junk. But I'm going to give y'all a couple more pulls and I'm going to go ahead and end this video because I don't want it to be too long. I don't want it to be no boring video. Let that window down a little bit for y'all to help. That exhaust be slapping, man. Listen to it. That bit, that ain't mine, man. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. Make sure y'all like, make sure y'all comment, make sure y'all subscribe, man. I love y'all, man. I'm out.